So today we're going to be making a dot artwork using a coffee filter and a piece of paper. The piece of paper is going to eventually be your sketchbook cover, and the coffee filter will be for our dot die decorations. Inside your sketchbook cover, we should write our teacher's name in pencil. On the front cover, you'll have your name in Sharpie, and on your dot, you will have your name in Sharpie. When we color our dot, we're going to use washable markers. The Sharpie where your name is will not bleed, but the markers will. The first thing you're going to do is pick your favorite color, and you're going to simply just make a dot in the middle. Like Vashti, all you got to do is create a dot. We're going to make our dot kind of big by making a circle. When you're using markers today, you can see me practicing snapping them back on. To use our markers correctly, we need to make sure that we are snapping them closed each time we use them. So let's first start with the dot. Color it in. It does not have to be neatly colored. And then after that, you just see where it takes you. You do not have to copy my designs. In fact, I want to see what you can imagine. Now, the important thing to know is that at the end of this whole process, we're going to spray the washable markers. So they will kind of tie-dye and blend together. So keep watching, and at the end of me decorating, I'm going to show you what it looks like when it gets sprayed and what it looks like when it dries. Now that I'm done with my design, trying to go all the way to the edge, I can leave some white space. You will bring your design back to me on your mess mat with your white paper. We're going to put your white paper underneath. This is actually a print, which means that what's on your coffee filter is going to print an image onto your paper. So you drew on your coffee filter, but what's going to end up on your white paper is going to be considered a print, because you didn't actually draw it first, you transferred the colors. So coffee filter is going to go kind of over our front cover name. You can see me spraying it with water, and you can see it start to work. This part here is sped up, so you can see the colors blending and drying together. Put a fan on it to make it go a little faster. But as the colors blend and print onto the paper, once it's dry, we can take off the coffee filter, and you're going to see what it looks like. So here's the now dry coffee filter. That's our dot. And look at that beautiful print it left on our piece of paper. That's going to be our sketchbook cover.